Ka Association jong ki Past Pupils of Don Bosco Technical School Shillong kala Pynlong ya ka Jingiakynduh lang ka bajulong si Snem. Haka katway tarik risaw ha Don Bosco Technical School na du kapor lai baje jan met hadu pra baje men met. Kani ka school bala seng ha Snem kat kandai spa lai puar da ki padar na ka seng selection bat ki brodar jong ka selection of Don Bosco SDB kala penisno bat ki samla barim ki bala wan shahi kai hang ni. Lasdang ya kani kasngi daga mas bakhuit bala penmenta do upadar Jong Zosiama provincial jong Shillong province. Hakas neng krau upadar Jong Zosiama ulapan pau ya kajing reuspa jong kajing day jong Past Pupils bat Don Bosco. Ula kadawru ba kajing i jingai jong Don Bosco haka puli puthi bat kajing khun jong u ban Pynlong breu ya ki samla haka por jong kajing kala wat hapadeng jong kajing hiran ka perthei haka por jong industrial revolution ha Europe. Hadian kemas bekhuj la beteng deka program hakaba u General Secretary pat u Finance Secretary kira puli ya ke annual report halor ki kam bala pendep haka Snem bala letno. La penshong shit ya kani kasngi deki jingruai bat ki jingshat na ki khana hostel. Haka jingkran jong upadar Stephen Saji Rector jong Don Bosco Technical School ulapan pau ya kajing sngongu ya ki Past Pupils halor kajing ai jing kershan jong ki haki project baper bat kajing treshi tom jong ki haka imlang salang. Ula kadawru babon na ki samla bala pas na kate ke school kila yo kam yo jam bat la yo ru ban seng kam la jong kabala ai men sim ru iki weipat ki khun samla. La penshong shit shushu ya kani kasngi da ka jingruai na uba George Warjri bat uba bindu lanong.
This is our home, this is our place, beautiful life we will all embrace. Another place together we'll spend, God's message to all we will send. We welcome you. Welcome you. Na 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 oh na 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 oh na 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 oh na na oh na.
Like this thing. Gone are the days. Gone are the days when the heart was young and gay. Jadi, sesuatu kalau kayaknya sih buat balik kayaknya macam semua itu sudah gone are the days. Kalau kita buat sudah balik. Jadi. Gone are the days when my heart was young and gay. Gone are my friends from the garden years away. Gone from the earth to a better than I know. I hear the gentle voices calling home back to. I'm coming, clap by you can walk, for my head is bending low. I hear the gentle voices calling home back to. Where are the hearts, one so happy and so free, the children so dear, nothing left more than the sea. Gone from the street to a better than I know. I hear the gentle voices calling home back to. But my head is burning low. I hear the gentle voices calling home back to. And this is a wonderful song, but there is a very beautiful song, which especially the past people aged, they know this song very much. It is actually sung at the end of any show. But I'll sing now because we don't have. But to make your presence here today, you always remember. This song should remain for the rest of your life. For the rest of your life. To always pray for the others, to always unite. Because we have, when you come here, remember the motto of Dr. School. Know, love one another, and always keep united. If you are united, everything will happen. So now, the name of the song is in hurry, I know. He's thinking. Anyway, the name of the song, can you guess what song I did? No. Right? Do you remember? May the good Lord bless it. Listen to the words. May the good Lord bless and keep you. And you ponder and concentrate on this. It's a very, very beautiful number. Yes. May the good Lord bless and keep you, whether near or far away. May you find the long-awaited golden day today. May your troubles all be small ones, and your fortune 10 times 10. May the good Lord bless and keep you till we meet again. May you walk with sunlight shining like a bluebird in every tree. May there be a silver lining out of every cloud you see. Fill your dreams with sweet tomorrow. Never mind what might have been. May the good Lord bless and keep you till we meet again. May the good Lord bless and keep you till we meet
Sir John and Sir Pupils regarding that wonderful music and wonderful song you performed for each and every one of us. It will surely be in our memories forever for so long time, especially Sir John's voice